guys, welcome back to my channel. It's B here, and yeah, I know it's been a while. Baby girl has been busy, life has been lifing, but here I am. And today is my friend's birthday, and we're going out. We're going for a girls night out, sort of. So as usual, I thought to bring you guys along, so let's go. Oh, this is so beautiful. I've never really seen this at night. Birthday girl! Woo! Yeah, sure. So I think they just used H and B for happy birthday. Oh, this is so cute. Happy birthday. Thank you. One time for the birthday girl. So we're here to play games. You said 20, right? Yeah. 20. We here. Here. Woo! Nice, nice. Well, yeah. I think you have like two. Oh, nice. 20, mine is what? 3. What? This is ridiculous. Wow. Oh, shit. Very good try. Woo! Don't be. I've seen you do shot. How does this work? Oh.
Show me your jigger, let me see. And let me see the woman that he's with. I put a couple $1,000 on your wrist right now. I'm more that can't touch you. Hey, I ain't never seen this guy in bed. Way to do some kind things, make me feel some kind way. You know I'm not just trying to get
First day of school.
Lọ́kàn mi ó lè mo ti gbà mí di lásìkò tí mo rà.
This one you bought, right? Hey guys, so I have a package I'm just gonna pick up. Hey guys, so this is the item I just collected. For those of you who do not know, I'm also a personal shopper, so I help clients shop from around the world in stores, specifically Nigeria. Like people in Nigeria, I help them shop from here and send back to Nigeria. So this is an item that I just shopped for a client, and we're just gonna unbox before I ship down. Oh, this is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So here is the shoe. The client bought 2 pieces for herself and her twin sister. So they have identical shoes, the same shoe in 2 places basically. Isn't this just so gorgeous? I'll try and do a proper unboxing much later. But yeah, let's pack this up and get it out the door. Hey guys, so it's the next day and it's a school day. I have classes this morning and also in the afternoon, but before I head for my classes, I want to quickly get to the post office to send the shoes from yesterday. Here I want to send the shoes to the cargo company that will be helping me ship them to Nigeria. I removed them from the box so that it doesn't weigh too much, so I just have a bag here that I'll pack it into and send down. So of course we're going together, so let's go. Guys, it's October and it's raining almost every day now, and the cold is crazy. It's supposed to be autumn, but it's already getting very chilly. I wonder how winter would be like this year. So here's the machine I'm going to be using to send the parcel. I'm just going to quickly do that now. Guys, so I'm all done and that's it.
If you go up to the passage through.
I'm back in school, heading to my class now. I just got done with my first class. I'm leaving for my second class now. So here we go. And it's still raining, of course.
You can do this one. Any data set, whether it's your master coursework, master dissertation, I'll teach you how to do that. It has digits. 3 is digit 3. If you look at it, you will find sometimes 8 is close to 3.
Guys, so it's almost 6 p.m. now and we just got done with class. We just want to go get something to eat now. And because right now we have shorter days and longer nights, so it's already looking dark, but it's just almost 6 p.m. now. So yeah, we're off to get something to eat.